Hey guys, I'm Andrew Drone here at MarineMax Houston in beautiful Seabrook, Texas, and I'm here today to talk about the brand new 2019 Boston Whaler Montauk 190. So we'll start off here at the front of the boat. You've got a nice little storage unit. So it comes with your nav lights here. We've got a nice large fish box here included on the front, so you can keep your catch cold and ready for whenever you get back. So here you've got forward seating that they've also used as a cooler, so you can have some nice beverages and still have seating for kids, the wife, or anybody you might bring with you. We've got rod holders here on the front of the boat as well, so you've got plenty of storage for all your fishing rods. We'll move back now to the helm. And so you see it's got nav anchor lights, everything you'll need. It's got the Fusion audio cover, speakers throughout the boat, and you've got a nice platform here for you to put any extra electronics you might want to add, as fish finder, sonar, whatever you'd like. So you've got an adjustable seat here, so you can have it while you're driving, or if you're just waiting, relaxing, watching your rods. On the back, you've got all the rod holders there. You've got plenty of options. So this is also powered by the Mercury 150. It'll crank you out and run you nice and fast, and you've got additional storage here on the back on either side of the motor. So thank you guys for coming out and watching our video today on the Boston Whaler 190 Montauk, the brand new 2019 model. Look forward to you guys coming here and seeing us. Thanks again.